Umtisoka ka jila Nagaland naka BGP temjen ima along lawan se Jirang muntakasngi kala putrik no prajamusan ban kan mau burom yakasngi klar Prime Minister barim ke India atau Bihari Bajpai yakani program la pulang ke BGP mandra Jirang temjen laong balawan menedan metalang prit khot jong parti BGP ban kan mau burom yak jingdap sispa snem jong atau Bihari Bajpai bat ke jingdon benta jong ban kan teu yakari ulapan kan mau baka North Eastern Council NEC kadon Shillong lembaga jingsim kiew atau Bihari Bajpai como Prime Minister. Long baka thong ke BGP kalong ban pelong ikari India ke bebit ke biang house name aja sa punyau.
A beautiful place in Jirang constituency. I have come here to commemorate the former Prime Minister Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji, who is our Bharat Ratna 100th anniversary, commemorate the 100th year of his life, and to be with our party men, to encourage our party people, and the ideology with which Atalji had lived his life. And today, with our Jirang Mandal President and with our district president, with our state office bearers, including Mr. Momin, the president of the BJP Meghalaya, we have had a fantabulous time sharing the commitment of Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji towards nation building, towards how he brought the Northeast under his wraps, and also the initiation of the Northeast Council, the initiation of Donair, and today Meghalaya is the headquarter. Shillong is the headquarter for that. And so we have commemorated our leader's life and take inspiration from him as BJP workers and karyakartas to make India into a Viksit Bharat, a developed nation by 2047. So that's the whole goal. Thank you.